Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you about the power of powers property for Exponent. And it's a very simple power or property. It just says that when taking variables with exponents to a power, you multiply the exponents. And I want you to remember that x to the 1 equals x and x to the 0 equals 1. Don't forget that. It can make things a little bit confusing if you forget that. Okay, so for example, if we have, it says when taking variables with exponents to a power, so here is a variable with an exponent, we say this is x to the second to the fourth. So if that is the case, x to the second to the fourth, that means I'm saying I have 4 x squareds. So I have x squared times x squared times x squared times x squared, which means actually I have x to the, we could add all of these exponents, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is x to the 8th. But why go to all that trouble all the time? We can just say x to the second to the fourth power is x to the 2 times 4, which is x to the 8th. If we look at it this way, if we say the long way, when we have a bit of a longer problem, here we have 3 x squareds, and here we have 4 y to the thirds. So when we look at it the long way, we have 3, 1, 2, 3 x squareds. Then we have 4 y to the thirds, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we were to add our exponents, we would have x to the 2 plus 2 plus 2, x to the 6th, and y to the 12th. Doing it the short way according to our property makes it an awful lot easier. Here we have x to the 2 times 3. We could write it out the long way like this, x to the 2 times 3. X to the 3 times 4. And we could write it out the long way here, y to the 3 times 4. Either way, we still get x to the 6th, x to the 12th. Now, when we get some complicated problems, if we do it this long way, oh my goodness, it's going to really take up some space. So we need to learn these properties and know that when there are parentheses involved, we multiply the exponents. When there are no parentheses involved, we add our exponents. Okay, here are some examples. Pause the video and try these, and I hope you get them all right. Pause now. Okay, here are the answers, and please note that there was a little z to the 5 to the 0 power, which made this a 1, which is why the z went away. Otherwise, I hope that you multiplied everything and didn't have to do it the long way. If you have any further questions, come and see me in class.